We've been going on for too long. Can't get enough. What did you want? Really ain't nothing left to drop down.
Hi YouTubers, today I'm going to talk about Hercules Roadeo A110 disc brake 26T 26 speed mountain cycle. Let's get with the specification. Model number is 1FG327G0A09000A. Next, the model name is A110 disc brake. Brand color is neon red. Mudguard negligible, not tires 26 into 2.1 tires with butyl tubes. Wheel double wall alloy rim. Rear derailleur is Shimano Tourney same. Handlebar is made up of 600 mm handlebar. Stem threadless. The crankset is a high quality steel crankset with BB cartridge. Sales package is of 1 cycle. All the specifications in the description below, you can check it out. The rider's height is preferably for around 5 to 12 feet. Seat post with quick release, it has an option. The shift type is Shimano easy fiber thumb shifter. Chain super transition chain. Spoke ED black. Hub is aluminium hub. The dimensions of this cycles comes with the width of the cycle is 132.08 centimeter. The height is 81.28 centimeter. The depth is 20.32 centimeter, and the weight is awesomely good, which is 18 kgs. It comes with a domestic warranty of 1 year and international warranty that is not mentioned here. Next, I want to talk about that what are the prices and how can you get it. I brought it around 9k. Latest price of this Hercules A110 disc brake 26T 21 speed mountain cycle was updated on 3rd March 2018. The cost price of this bike is around 14,599, which is now available at 37% discount on Flipkart. The multiple payment options are available to buy Hercules Roadeo. This cycle is on credit card, debit card, net banking, wallet payment, etc. I bought it in cash on delivery online. Flipkart, if you buy this on Flipkart, you will save around 5,535 as it is the discounted rate. We also found the cheapest price of Hercules bike speed mountain was online available on Flipkart. It was of 37% discount. I repeat, 37% discount. Cycles under 9,100 price range is a good deal to buy. Generally, the products at Flipkart are available within 1 year warranty with no EMI and zero down payment. But it is available. Flipkart assures is only available if you buy products from Flipkart, but you can compare rate list of Hercules Roadeo this bike mountain cycle on eBay, Amazon, Paytm Mall, Snapdeal, etc. The price comparison of Hercules Roadeo A10 suggesting to buy Hercules Roadeo this online only. Then shopping online will save you approximately 2,767.5 in comparison to buy in local market. Thank you.
that you love me.